I don't even think it would be a question whether this is my hair or not. Like, what's the question? Like, what are you getting at? What's your question? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am April Sunny, and in today's video, this is just me getting ready for the work week. This is how I'm gonna wear my hair for the week because I need something quick, I need something simple that I'm not really messing with my hair too much. I'd like to thank Curlsqueen for sponsoring today's video. Let's get started. In our goodie bag, we have a bonnet, some extra hair clips, as well as a tangle teaser brush. On to the good part. Okay, so this is Curlsqueen's 3C 4A water jury curl clip-ins in 22 inches. If you desire a different curl pattern, they have a wide variety of ranges, even 4C 4D coils. Here I just wanted to show you guys an up-close view of the construction of the clip-ons on the weft. If you prefer a seamless weft, Curlsqueen offers that as well. Okay, so we have two 5-clip wefts, two 4-clip wefts, four 2-clip wefts, and two 3-clip wefts. This gives us a total of 10 wefts to work with. This looks like it's going to be full to me, so I'm not really concerned. But do you see these curls? To prep the hair, I went ahead and shampooed and conditioned it. Right here, you're just seeing conditioner in the hair. It's so pretty, you guys. The curls did drop a little bit, but of course, once the product is out of the hair, the curls will definitely bounce right back. This is the hair rinsed out. It's a little damp, it is drying, but look at all of that body, and the curls are bouncing back. Now, this is all of the hair that had shed from the weft. Okay, so it's time to get my hair in order. I wasn't sure how I wanted to do this, but what I did know was that throughout my work week, I did not want to mess with my hair at all. So we're gonna do a half braided and the clips in the back. So that means for my hair, all of my hair is put away. And to me, that is a protective style. So that's what we're doing here. To start out, I'm sectioning my hair into two sections. For some reason, my hair naturally parts down the center, so I'm going to just go with it and section that off as well, because I'm actually only going to work on one side at a time, so I was fine with that. So yes, section the front from the back, and then we're going to work on designing the braid in the front. I would actually like to have some pieces hanging around my face. So I'm going to cut some hair off of the weft, but I'm going to cut it to where it's already like kind of clumped together. So you won't really be able to tell that I've cut hair off the weft. And I need about 4 pieces just to make sure that's the kind of look that I'm going for. So that's what you see me doing here. And as you can see, it has not interrupted the flow of the weft at all. Okay, I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. I did not know how I wanted to braid my hair. I didn't even know if I wanted to braid my own hair. I was really considering going to someone, but I just could not see paying somebody almost $100 to braid half of my head. And I know it would be $100 because I had already spoken to someone to braid my hair. So I couldn't do it. So I had to figure it out on my own. I can braid, I'm just not the best at parting. It like takes me forever. And then when I'm done, I still see flaws in my parting. But we're only wearing this for the work week, and then we're taking it down to shampoo our hair. So I'm not really too concerned about it. We're gonna do the best we can, okay? Okay, now this part right here almost took me out, okay? I knew I wanted a braid that was kind of like upside down and then braided to the back. I wasn't sure how I was going to do that or even position my hand or my fingers, but I knew I wanted to do it and I was going to figure it out. So you get the gist, okay? I did the best I could. As for the rest of this little section, I didn't really have any idea of how I wanted it. I didn't have any pre-mapping technique. I kind of just went with the flow and did what worked for my head shape. And as you can see, for this particular braid, I went ahead and fed in that little curly piece that I cut in an earlier clip. So yeah, I just want some little pieces hanging around my face. Okay, so as you can see, I've added my 2 pieces and I'm going to continue to braid this side. I'll show you guys the finished look on this side before the next one, but again, I'm not braiding in any mapping order. I'm just going with the flow and the shape of my head and what fits my face. One side down, and with the magic of editing, the other side is done as well. So this is what it's looking like. I have my 4 pieces hanging in the front. It's exactly the way I want it. So now I'm just going to put 6 braids in the back that's going to hold my clip-ins. Now that that's completed, I'm going to take my needle and thread and I'm just going to sew up and tuck in my ends. So this is a true protective style and all of my hair is put away. Okay, so at the nape of the neck, I'm going to start out with the 4 clip weft. And remember, we have 2 of those. So I'm just going to put that around the nape area and clip it to the braid as best as possible. If it does not fit, I do not force it because I don't want to snap any of my hair, you know. Next, I'm using the 5 clip weft and we have 2 of those. Above the occipital bone, we are using the 3 clip weft. And I think we have 2 of those. And to finish this up, we're going to use our 2 clip wefts. And remember, we have 4 of those. So if you need any coverage there at the top, you should have enough to do that. As for this 3rd clip, I'm going to clip that going forward. So when I place my last clip in the in-between, I can flip it over and kind of create some form of coverage there. As you can see here, I'm just going through and shaping the hair. I don't want to cut too much because these are clip-ins and I might want to wear them in a different way. So I just want to shape and frame it around my face for now. I don't even think it would be a question whether this is my hair or not. Like, what's the question? Like, what are you getting at? What's your question? So this is the final look. I'm super excited because I am actually really loving these curls. The hair is super lightweight. I don't feel like my braids are too tight. There's nothing tugging or pulling. If it's uncomfortable, I can replace it. Like, I am loving this protective hairstyle for this work week. I'd like to thank Curlsqueen again for sponsoring today's video. You guys, I will have all of the links in the description box down below. And keep in mind, they do have global shipping. So if you're not in the US, do not fret, my friend. you can still get Curlsqueens. And until the next time, be love.